What do you think? How do I look? Have you guys seen these things yet? Don't answer the question about how I look. I don't even want to know. But these are the new Ray-Bans from Meta, AI smart glasses. Very, very cool. I want to take you through the process of unboxing these brand new glasses from Meta. Check it before you wreck it. What's up, geeks? And these are pretty cool looking. The Headliner Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses. It uses Meta AI. It uses all kinds of cool technology. It's got microphones. It's got a camera built in. Really smart glasses. And they're hard to get right now because they are really unique. They're not VR glasses at all. In fact, they look like normal sunglasses. So I want to take these things and I want to show you the experience of unboxing the new Headliner glasses from Ray-Ban. So let's go take it to the table and check it out.
Here they are. Can't wait to crack these things open. This is the box, pretty simple gray box. It's got the Ray-Ban logo, the Meta logo on the front. On the side, it says Headliner, which is the model name of this style of glasses. On the back, it says Ray-Ban Meta Collection features camera, open-ear audio, and pairs with the MetaView app to edit and share your content. And then a bunch of legal jargon. You've got the iPhone logo, no Android logo, which is weird because works just fine with Android. On the side, it says Headliner, kind of embossed there, and then it also lists kind of what's inside, the cleaning cloth, the glasses, the charging case, and that's a pretty simple box. We do have, let's flip it over to the side here, I'll show you. You've got your standard UPC scan codes and just a breakdown of which color you've got here. And let's rip it open. Oh, look at that. Listen, call, live stream. That's kind of cool. Nice little reveal there. Let me open up the box. Says the same thing on the lid. Listen, call, live stream. I guess that's their tagline for these glasses. Didn't know that. And I'll open the box. Oh, this thing. Oh, yes. Check those things out. What a cool presentation. Nice job with the unboxing. What a way to reveal this charging case with the glasses inside. And I'll take a look real quick and see what's inside the box. You've got a QR code to download the app there. You've got some documentation. We'll pull it out of both sides here. Ooh, that's not documentation. That's a little cleaning cloth thing. I'll show you that in a second. But there's that QR code again. And that's it. Let me move the box out of the way and take a look at this documentation that we have here. Pretty standard stuff. This looks like a getting started guide. You've got, again, that QR code to download the app. You've got some basic instructions on how to get the glasses charged up, how to charge the charging case itself, and how you know what the battery level is based on the color of the LED light. On the back here, you've got a little breakdown of where all the buttons and controls are, which is actually pretty important because it's hard to tell. They're all hidden. You don't really know unless you've got a good chart like this. So I like that they included this. This is simple stuff, but is important. Shows you where the speakers are, where the microphones are, notification LEDs, and then a QR code for more frequently asked questions. What is this? Your smart glasses with prescription lenses. Oh, that's cool. You can scan the QR code if you want to find a place to get prescription lenses for these glasses. Here's a safety and warranty booklet. Man, that thing is like War and Peace thick. Okay, maybe not that thick, but bunch of languages in here. I'm not going to go through it, just legal stuff for the safety and warranty portion of the glasses. And this is that little chart, that little cleaning cloth that I talked about, which if you've ever purchased a high-end pair of Ray-Bans or other sunglasses, then you've probably known that most of them come with a cleaning cloth. So you keep this in the charging case. That way you can clean the glasses off without scratching them. This is an investment, $300 and up. You want to make sure you keep them clean without damaging the glasses. And take a look at this charging case. This thing is slick. It's leather. It's a nice light brown color. Oh, there's a little button on the back. You've also got a USB-C port for charging up the charging case. And really cool looking, really high-end feel to this thing. I like the hidden button. And see that light? That tells you if the glasses are charged. So watch, when I hit the button, I'll do it again, it's green because it means the glasses are charged up. I'll pop this thing open. You see that light? That is actually the little nub to close the glasses. Just feels like cool design here. Ray-Ban Meta, printed on the inside here. Here are the glasses themselves. They're sitting in there charging properly. That's that little plastic piece that you got to pull out to get the contacts to actually charge the glasses. But I do think that the glasses were already charging, so not sure how that worked. I'll set the case aside. Let's look at these glasses. These are cool looking. You've got the covers on the side. Let me pull that paper off so we can see what we're working with here. And yeah, really nice looking glasses. Let me look at the front here, and you see the camera in one corner on the right side here. And then on the left-hand side, you've got your LED that kind of tells people when you're recording. It's a little indicator light. So that's the camera there. You've got Ray-Ban here. And you notice they're thicker than normal Ray-Ban glasses, but not by much. How they crammed all the stuff into here, I don't know. The one side is actually a touch-sensitive side to it. You can control volume and play and pause by pressing on just on the side. That right there is the button to capture pictures and video. Of course, you can just say, "Hey Meta," and it'll respond to you as well. But there's the button. Again, the sides of the glass is thicker. They've got batteries, they've got a processor in there, but not by much. And I think most people probably wouldn't even notice. They've got a bunch of microphones, 5 microphones built into this thing. The camera on the front is a 12 megapixel camera, which is supposed to give you pretty good quality pictures and video. I have to get my hands on this. I've got to start trying this thing out. So if you haven't seen a demo of these yet, stick around, subscribe to the channel. You're going to want to see that, because what we're going to do is we're going to put these things through the paces, test it out, see how the Meta AI works, see how the video works, the pictures, etc., etc. My full review is coming on my channel soon.
Okay, now you can answer the question. What do you think? How do I look? Should I go for a different style? Are you guys buying this? I want to know what you guys think about this. Again, they're hard to get. They're out of stock constantly, so I know they're very popular. Meta has said they've got to ramp up production to get these things back in stock, which is a good sign. Clearly, people are buying these things. And my initial impressions are Ray-Ban and Meta did a nice job of creating what looks like and feels like a premium product and doesn't feel super geeky. In fact, I don't think most people would realize that these are actually smart glasses. Comment below. I read every single comment. I reply to every single comment as well. I'd love to know what you guys are thinking and what videos do you want to see? What do you want to know about these Ray-Ban Meta glasses? Throw a comment below and I'll create some more videos. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you catch those videos when they come out, and a lot of other cool geeky stuff. Tech it before you wreck it. I'm Kirk.